Hi everyone, today I will show you how to fix Windows 11 Windows key not working problem. Before moving on to the video, you can support me by liking the video and deliver this video to people who are looking for this video like you. Let's start. First, we enter this site and check if there is a key on our keyboard that does not work. I put the link of this site in the description section, you can reach the site from there. We checked whether our keys are working or not. Now we move on to our first solution. Our first solution is to turn off filter keys and sticky keys. To do this, we go to Settings. Then we click on Accessibility on the left. Then click Keyboard. If filter keys is toggle on, we make this toggle off. After doing this, we click on Sticky Keys. Then we toggle off Lock shortcut keys when pressed twice in a row. And we toggle off Sticky Keys. This was our first solution. Now you can check if the problem is solved or not. If the problem is not solved, we will move on to our second solution. Our second solution is to turn off game mode. To do this, we click on Gaming above Accessibility. After doing this, we click on Game Mode. And then we toggle off game mode. This was our second solution. Now we will move on to our third solution. Our third solution is to use the troubleshooter. To do this, we click on System. Then we click on Troubleshoot. After doing this, we click on Other troubleshooters. Click on Run. After clicking Run, Windows will automatically try to find if there is a problem with our keyboard. If Windows found any problem with your keyboard, follow the steps that Windows shows. Before I finish the video, there are a few more things I want to mention. If the keyboard you are using is a gaming keyboard, a key on your keyboard or the program of your keyboard, if any, may be causing this problem. And according to a few people on Reddit, if you are an Alienware laptop user, pressing the FN key and the F6 key at the same time is one of the ways to solve this problem. Speaking of the FN key, spamming the FN key and Windows key also solved the problem for some people on Reddit. Don't forget to try these short solutions as well. Maybe one of them will work for you. We have come to the end of the video. I hope one of these solutions fixed your problem. If the video helped you, don't forget to like the video. You can also subscribe to my channel to support me. Take care, and see you in the next video.